Hi guys, welcome to GoldenEye. Today we are doing a question of consignment account. Let's start. Question: Sri Lakshmi of Mumbai consigns 1000 cases of goods costing rupees 100 each to Sri Indu of Chennai. Sri Lakshmi pays the following expenses in connection with the consignment: carriage rupees 1000, freight rupees 3000, loading charging rupees 1000. Sri Indu sells 700 cases at the rate 140 rupees per case and incurs the following expenses: clearing charges rupees 850 rupees, warehousing and storage rupees 1700, packing and selling expenses rupees 600. It is found that 50 cases have been lost in the transit and 100 cases are still in transit. Sri Indu is entitled to a commission of 10% on gross sale. Draw up the consignment account and Indu's account in the books of Sri Lakshmi. Let's start the answer. Sri Lakshmi consignment to Chennai account: debit, credit, particulars amount. Sri Lakshmi consigns 1000 cases of goods to Sri Indu on consignment. So two goods sent on consignment, 1000 cases of goods, and per cost case is 100 rupees. So 1000 into 100, then we get 1 lakh rupees. And Sri Lakshmi incurs 5000 rupees in connection with consignment. So 5000 consists of carriage 1000 plus freight 3000 plus loading charges 1000. So total of expenses rupees 5000 to bank expenses. Indu is consignee. Indu also incurs 3150 rupees. So 3150 consists of clearing charges of 850 rupees plus warehousing and storage charges of rupees 1700 and packaging and selling expenses of rupees 600. By Indu sales. So Indu consignee sold 700 cases at the rate 140 per case. So 700 into 140, then we get 98,000 rupees as a sales. Indu will get 10% commission on sales. So gross sales is 98,000. So 98,000 into 10%, then we get 9,800 as a commission. So to Indu commission 9,800. By abnormal loss. So loss in transit. So 50 cases have been lost in transit. So 50 cases into 105 rupees each case. How we get 105 rupees? Per cost case is 100 rupees and Lakshmi incurs 5,000 rupees in connection with consignment. So 5000 incurred for 1000 case. So 5000 rupees divide 1000. So we get 5 rupees per case. So cost per case is 100 plus 5 rupees. Then we get total per case cost is 105. So 50 cases into 105. Then we get 5250. By consignment stock. So total number of cases of goods we had 1000. Out of 1000, 700 cases have been sold by consignee, 50 cases have been lost and 100 cases are in transit. So remaining closing stock will be 150 rupees. So by consignment stock in hands 150 cases into 106 rupees each case. How we get 106 rupees each case? Let's understand this through working note. Cost per case 100. Consignor's expenses per case. Lakshmi incur 5000 rupees in connection with consignment for 1000 cases of goods. So per cases of goods cost will be 5000 rupees divide 1000, then we get 5 rupees per case. Indu consignee paid 850 rupees clearing charges for 850 cases. So why we are considering 850 cases? As out of 1000 cases, consignee Indu has received only 850 cases, as 50 cases have been lost in the transit and 100 cases are in the transit. So balance cases are 850 cases. So cost per case will be 850 rupees for 850 cases. So cost per case will be 1 rupees per case. So total cost per case will be 106 rupees. So 150 cases of goods into 106 rupees per case, which we have recently calculated. So 106 into 150, then we get 15,900. 100 cases are in transit. So 100 cases into 105 rupees per case, then we get 10,500. So total of the 26,400. If we deduct total of credit side from the debit side, then we get to profit on consignment 11,700, which will be transferred to the profit and loss account. Indu's account in the books of consignor, debit, credit, particulars amount to consignment to Chennai account. Indu's consignee sold 700 cases of goods at the rate 140 per each. So total value we get 98,000. By consignment account, expenses which consignee did 3,150. By consignment account, commission, consignee will get 10% commission on gross sale. Gross sale is 98,000. So 10% of 98,000 is 9,800. By balance carried down 85,050 rupees. Now that this is done, if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.